Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing good. So today I have a app. This app focuses on your mental health. So as physical health is important, similar way mental health is also equally important. So this app focuses on your mental health. So before we start, I would request you to please subscribe to my channel and like the video as well. Let's begin. Name of this app is Vyasa. So this app is basically from Massachusetts. So the company of this app, the developer of this app, have their company registered in US, and it has been founded in 2017. So they have been in this process for like past 3-4 years, and they have all the clinical approvals. So let's just read the description of this app. So the description goes like Vyasa is used by more than a million people from all walks of life. Research backed widely used technique of CBT, DBT, yoga and meditation are employed to support you with depression, stress, anxiety, sleep, loss and a whole range of other mental health and wellness needs. So it focuses on all your depression, anxiety, such kind of problems. So they have their own inbuilt courses as well, and if you need a therapist, they have therapist sessions as well, so you can get a live therapist, and then you have a AI chatbot as well in this. So once we get to the screen, I'll just give you all the description. I'll show you how the things are, and the therapist and the courses are for the paid version. So you need to pay for the therapist session, and for the courses also you need to pay some monthly subscription. So let's just get to the mobile screen and see how this app focuses on your mental health, how it can be useful in your day-to-day life. So here's the app, guys. Yasa mental health support. So as you can see, this is the interface of this app. You have this AI bot who helps you for your support. So I have made a similar video like AI bot for your mental health, your AI friend. So I'll just leave the link in the description below. So here's the description of this app. So it's a pretty long description. You can just click on the link given below and you can read these descriptions. So the pricings are also given over here. So we'll just come to pricing later. And so it tracks, like, it doesn't track much of your data. It doesn't track any data. It just like asks you the questions, and whatever feedback you provide accordingly, it suggests you various things like what practice you should do, what kind of exercise you should do to avoid such things. So the rating for this app is 4.8, which is given by 859 users. So let's just open this app. So this opening, this symbol, like it's pretty awesome. I just like the animations and the UI of this app. I believe the developers have worked a lot on this. So this is the home screen. So as you can see, let's start from the top section. So you have this SOS button over here. So if you feel like anything difficult in your life, it's not about difficult but anything panic situation or something, you can click SOS button and it will contact to your nearing, like whatever SOS feedback or whatever SOS contacts you have given in your phone. And then these are the stories of various stuff. So like health anxiety, if you're having health anxiety, perform this task and you may feel better. Then it's remote wellness. So likewise there are various tasks in this. You can check them all out, and then you can talk to the AI bot. So my 4 a.m. friend, it says, so how are you feeling? So you can just talk to him. So this is how the conversation can go. So this is how the AI bot asks you various questions. You have to you have to answer them, and this bot suggests you various things what you can do, or it helps you get out of that situation. and then you have various packs like productivity pack. So here are all the pack, and this all comes in paid section. So you have limited free tasks, like you have limited free stuff in this. So this is what all it has. And when we come down to therapist, so therapist is a paid thing. So this is the costing for therapist. So like for 12 session it cost you 7,200. So it's billed quarterly. So the costing for per session is 600. So you can go for monthly or per session as well, whichever is convenient if you need a therapist. And then you have this section of self care. So in this you have various packs, relationships pack, sleep habit pack, and all those stuff. So you can check it out. First episodes in some of them are free. So I believe these are free. If you come down, build confidence. So yes, you have first episode as free, first 7 minute, and then you have to go for paid. So if you select for unlock premium, so here's the costing. So the annual costing is 3,749 per year, and you have 7 days free trial. You can go for monthly or you can go for lifetime as well, whichever is convenient as per your budget. So you can select them, and then you have this journal over here. So you whenever you talk to this AI bot, it records your habits, your thoughts, and everything, and it gives you suggestions. So AI is like it learns you and then it helps you to get out the situation. So yes guys, this is what the app is. So you can check it out. You can download it from the link given below, and let me know how you feel the app is. And you can follow me on Instagram for more such apps. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.